Have you ever been hurt, betrayed, or completely ignored by someone who thought you'd always be there? They walked away, took you for granted, and acted as if you didn't matter. But here's the twist. They have no idea what's coming next. What if I told you that you don't have to chase, you don't have to beg, yet they'll come crawling back, regretting every moment they walked away? Sounds like a fantasy, right? Trust me, it's not. Welcome to this video, where we dive into the secrets of Stoic wisdom, power dynamics, and psychology to help you master life, relationships, and everything in between. Today, I'm revealing a powerful strategy that blends dark psychology with Stoic strength. Something so effective it'll have them begging to return. Stay with me, this is something they'll never expect. Embrace detachment. One of the core principles of Stoicism is detachment. Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic philosopher, repeatedly reminded us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you'll find strength. By detaching emotionally from someone who has taken you for granted, you regain control over yourself. It's not about not caring, it's about putting your well-being first. When you stop chasing those who walk away from you, you show them you don't depend on them for happiness. They'll start to miss your strength and wonder why you've suddenly become distant and confident. Be unpredictable, don't let them predict you. Seneca, another Stoic philosopher, often said there is nothing more honorable than someone who doesn't act according to others' expectations. In relationships, whether personal or professional, people think they have you figured out. But when you become unpredictable, when you stop letting them dictate your behavior, you create intrigue. They'll wonder why you're no longer the person they once knew, and that unpredictability will draw them back, seeking your attention. The power of self-worth. Know your own value. Marcus Aurelius constantly reminded himself to become what you are. This means recognizing your own worth and not seeking validation from others. When you stop seeking approval from those who once took you for granted, you shift the power dynamic. Standing firm in your self-worth tells others they can no longer treat you as an afterthought. This makes them want to come back because they'll see you as someone worth respecting. Reciprocity is one of the fundamental laws of human nature. When you give without expecting anything in return, it often leads to being taken for granted. But when you stop giving to those who only take, you create a void. People miss what they no longer have, and your absence will make them crave your presence again. They'll realize they've lost something valuable and will want to get it back. Marcus Aurelius had the remarkable ability to stay calm and composed even in the midst of great turmoil. He believed that the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. The same applies to emotional mastery. When you stop letting others drag you into their emotional chaos, you lead from a place of inner strength. By mastering your emotions, you show others that they can't control you through drama or manipulation. This emotional fortitude will make them realize they've lost someone who is truly unshakable. Stop chasing. Let them chase you. Chasing after someone is a sign of desperation, but when you stop chasing and start focusing on your own growth and goals, you naturally develop an aura of self-respect. People don't value what's always available. When you stop chasing and start living your best life, they will come to you. You'll stop being the one who seeks attention and become the one who is sought after. Your value increases exponentially, and they'll realize that they've lost someone worth chasing. The art of silence. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Often our thoughts about a situation or a person are far worse than the reality itself. Silence becomes your ultimate weapon. When someone expects you to chase, beg for attention, or over-explain your actions, silence shows them you're no longer available for emotional manipulation. The quiet mind is a strong mind, as Seneca teaches us. The absence of your response creates discomfort in them, and soon enough they'll be wondering what's changed. Focus on personal growth. Finally, remember this. When you stop chasing and focus on yourself, growth becomes the most powerful tool you have. Marcus Aurelius put it perfectly. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. The best way to make someone come crawling back is to not react, but to grow. Focus on self-improvement, mentally, physically, emotionally, and you become a different person. When they see the powerful, unshakable person you've become, they won't be able to resist coming back. But remember, this isn't about revenge. It's about reclaiming your own power, dignity, and peace. So there you have it. If you want them to come crawling back to you, stop chasing, start growing, and focus on becoming the best version of yourself. It's not about revenge. It's about your own emotional freedom and growth. Stay strong, stay stoic, and let them see the powerful person you've become. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more life-changing content. See you in the next video.